has a favorite season, but have you ever wondered why and how the seasons change? Well, the answer to that is because of Earth orbiting around the sun. Earth doesn't orbit around the sun while it's straight, except it's tilted on an imaginary line. When I say imaginary, it means like there's no such line. We just made that, scientists just made that up to make so it doesn't confuse others. Anyway, this imaginary line is called the axis. It's tilted at a 23.5 degrees. Many people say the Earth is tilted because long ago, a smaller planet struck it, and that planet was the moon. Of course, it's just a theory. No one really knows for sure. Anyways, the Earth, as it orbits, it also rotates around its axis. If you're in the part of the Earth that's toward the sun, then it's daytime. If you're part of the Earth that's away from the sun, then it's nighttime. Depends on where you are on Earth. It depends if you have direct sunlight and indirect sunlight. And direct sunlight means like it's just hitting through it. Indirect sunlight means it's not hitting it. Like it's hitting it, but it's not direct. If you're getting direct sunlight, then it's probably summer. If you're getting indirect sunlight, then it's winter. And between there's spring and autumn. The one orbition is caused 365 days. We define that as 1 year. Earth rotates around its axis at 24 hours. That's we define that as 1 year. So that's all it. But also there's the northern and southern hemisphere. As it tilts, it's also like it's quite cut in half. The northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. And many people say the equator is pretty much warmest place. Many people say it's because it's closer to the sun, but there's no such thing. It's because it's getting direct sunlight, so it's never winter there. It's always summer, spring, and a little bit of autumn.
Where?
And near the equator.
Where's that?
The equator is a horizontal line that cuts the Earth in half. And it's not really such a line, but also there's the prime meridian, which is the vertical line. And now you know why we have seasons. Also, when you see a globe, don't think that it's ridiculous that it's sideways. It's because that's how it is in outer space. I hope you now learn why your favorite season is formed.
Thank you.
Okay, and here's my model about the seasons. And I don't want to confuse you, but this is Earth. All these four are Earth. But we don't have 4 Earths. We only have 1. But each of these is how Earth is. But the colors, the Earth is a blue, green, white, and all the brown, yellow color. But these colors each correspond with a different season. For example, and this is the sun, by the way. For example, yellow is summer, orange is autumn, blue is winter, and green is summer. Green is spring. And in summer, as you can see, we put a sun, umbrellas by the beach, a smoothie, which it's quite upside down. And in autumn, we have falling leaves, leaves that fall off from trees, and trees without leaves. In winter, we have snowflakes, clouds with rains coming down from them. And in spring, we have trees and clear green grass and the ground also. As you can tell, each of these, for example, the things that we put in here, each one also goes with the season. For example, clouds and rain go with winter, dry trees go with autumn, sun goes for summer, and spring goes for trees and nature. So, this is my model of the seasons.
Thank you.